Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today I want to show you an update that just rolled out to the Galaxy S24 and S24 Ultra running One UI 6.1, and this is an update to the Galaxy Vision Core, I think it's called, or Samsung Vision Core. If we pop over into the store here, it is called Samsung Vision Core. There was about a gigabyte update for this, and this is a built-in application. And this is a feature that was supposed to come out when the S24 originally launched, but it was a little bit delayed, and we just got that update in the past couple of days. So if you see this in your store, again, this is the Galaxy Store, not the Play Store, so you're going to have to hop over here and make sure you check for updates there. So if you see a gigabyte update for this app, this is what it's for, and it actually adds some pretty cool dynamic lock screen features to your wallpaper. Now this works best with a photo taken outdoors during the day, and what it does is it dynamically changes your lock screen wallpaper for time of day and certain weather conditions. So you can see here we have like a sunny day, and then kind of cloudy and dark and rainy, and then we even have one for snow right here. So those are some of the different possible ones. Now something very cool is it actually just started raining here when I was going to make this video, and I don't have a photo of taken outside during the day, so I just use my regular backdrops wallpaper still, and as you can see, it is working just fine. It doesn't darken it for the time, at least it hasn't yet. And I don't know that it will for this wallpaper, but you can see we do have the rain here, and we do have like little raindrops that look like they're running down the screen, which is very cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to enable this. First step we already went over. You do need to make sure you are on One UI 6.1 with an S24, S24 Ultra, one of those devices running One UI 6.1, and you're going to need to have the latest version of Samsung Vision Core. Once you have all that done, pop over into your settings here, and to enable this you're going to have to go to advanced features and then go into labs here, and the feature you're going to be looking for is the photo ambient wallpaper, and it just has an on and off toggle here, and it kind of explains it some more. So it tells you what it does, and it also says here works best with an outdoor photo taken during the day. Again, I'm using just a backdrops wallpaper, and it seems to be working just fine, but your mileage may vary depending on the wallpaper you're using. But again, meant to be used with wallpaper, with photos taken outside. Once you have this turned on, you're going to go back to your main settings page and go to your wallpaper and style settings. You're going to go to change wallpaper. You're going to have all your regular wallpapers right here. And then if you scroll down here to creative, there's going to be a new option when you have that the photo ambient wallpaper turned on, and it says photo ambient, and it says labs right here, showing it is a labs feature. So it's just going to give you a little bit of a preview right here. Shows you kind of how it works, what it does. You can see there we have a little bit of snow, and then it does brighten it for the day, kind of darkens it when it starts to snow. If we hit try now, it's going to ask you to select a wallpaper that you want to use, or a photo that you want to use as your wallpaper. We're going to just use the same one I'm using, and you can see here it's going to load, and this is just going to pull up your regular thing where you can edit your lock screen and all that kind of stuff. But if you hit this little play button down here, it will give you a preview. So you can see here there's the rain, which we have right now. There's some snow, and those are the only two I believe it supports right now, are rain and snow. It would be cool to see them add something for like a thunderstorm or something like that with some lightning, that kind of stuff. But those are the two it looks like it supports right now, just rain and snow. So I already have that set, and as you guys can see, it is working on my lock screen with the rain effect. So very, very cool right there. Just something nice that you can add a creative touch to your Galaxy device. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.